Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So, can you play Valorant on Linux in 2025? The short answer is no. And here's why. Valorant uses Riot's Vanguard anti-cheat and it runs at a kernel level, deeply tied into Windows. That means it doesn't work through compatibility layers like Wine or Proton. And even virtual machines often fail or worse, triggers bans because of Vanguard's security checks. Riot themselves have confirmed that to bring Valorant to Linux, they basically need to rebuild Vanguard from scratch. And honestly, with Linux being a small slice of the gaming market, there's a little incentive for them to do it. The community backs this up too. On Reddit, one user explained how dual botting with Linux actually caused Vanguard to throw a secure boot validation error, completely locking them out of the game. Others report the same, no matter what workaround you try. Vanguard just doesn't play nice. So, what are your options? First is dual bot with Windows. Keep Linux as your main OS, but reboot into Windows whenever you want to play Valorant. Or try remote play from a Windows PC, streaming the game into Linux with tools like No Machine. It technically works, but performance takes a big hit and latency is pretty bad. Bottom line, if you want to play Valorant in 2025, you still need Windows. Linux is great for many things, but right now, Riot's anti-cheat keeps Valorant locked to Windows only. We hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Thanks!